look at this dude.
Huh?
Look at this dude.
Whatever.
What's up, man?
Change.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Pulled up to this dude's house. This is, what's your IG?
Space Coupe.
Space Coupe. And I drove out today to fucking Irvine to go pick up a Cusco strut bar. Couldn't pass up that deal. We're gonna be putting it on right now. I'm gonna try and get some slow-mos of your car. These are 14s?
Yeah.
Alright, so there's 6 14mm on the strut that you need to take off right here. And we'll be taking it off right now. We'll do the other side.
There it is. You want to take this out?
Yeah, those come off first, so we'll put them on top.
You want to keep on top?
Wait, we'll figure it out right now.
Yeah.
We keep flipping that shit around. God damn.
Oh, no, it goes up.
Oh my.
No, it has to be like this. It has
Dude, yeah. Scared to cut myself. You can get an Allen head.
Ah, yeah, you're right. I forgot about that.
So we can flip it around.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
There you go.
Never mind.
You got those muscles, Keen.
Sure, you take out the plate right here. If you have a hatchback or anything, right here, you take the plate out. That's the plate, the OEM one. Because you won't need it because the Cusco already has it right here. So to loosen up the Allens that are holding the actual bar in place, size 8 Allen head, and then a 17
wrench,
open end wrench. And then just loosen that a bit, loosen that side a bit, and then you can adjust it. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Just gotta take those bolts off. Oh fuck, there's no light. Gotta take those bolts off right there. Those nuts. Take the nuts, shove them in your mouth. This is all I cared about. This goddamn sticker right here. But yeah, here's the Cusco strut bar. And put this right there. That's it. So after you loosened it, it should just go sit. Should just sit down, bitch. Is there a meme like that?
No.
I'm pretty sure there's a meme somewhere there.
There is there.
We gotta twerk these. Twerk them, twerk them.
Twerk. You wanna do the honors? It's too fat.
Yeah. The impact's too fat. I got a fucking damage all the way down there.
What happened,
Can
Keen?
you see that? I dropped the plastic down there. Tilt it down a little. Right there. Fuck. My hand's too fat. I got fat glissies, bro. Glizzies.
Let me see him do it.
Fat glizzies. Oh, there's that fucking spider. Bro.
Oh, that's nasty, bro.
I was wondering.
Why do you guys have spiders right there?
I was wondering why I had a spider. I had a spider web on my windshield, and this motherfucker's right there.
It never moved?
No, I
You
guess
went on the
not.
freeway?
Yeah, I was doing 100. Look, this one got skinny glizzies. His arm fit, and he got it out. My arm's too fat, bro. This shit didn't fit. Alright, what is going on, guys? So as you can see, we went ahead and put the Cusco strut bar on. Pretty straightforward. You just had you had 6 14mm bolts that you had to take off on the strut so that you can put the strut bar on. Yeah, pretty straightforward. You do feel a difference on the car. There's feels a lot more responsive. The car does feel a lot more responsive turning in and whatnot. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am going to be slowing it down a bit just because I need to save up for some parts. Probably the next thing I'm going to be doing is the flex fuel kit and Honda on the car. And yeah, it's going to be lit.